Latin and Greek influence on English language. The Latin influence accounts for the huge increase of English vocabulary through loans, coinages, and hybridization. Most of these words fill the gap in the native stock of words, especially in the case of abstract nouns and adjectives. The influence of classical Greek on English has been largely indirect through Latin and French. When we look at French and Latin influences, we can see that many words were borrowed maybe due to either French or Latin, such as the words like grave, gravity, solid, position, etc., has a large influence on English language. In the case of Latinized French words, many French words already borrowed by the English were now Latinized. For instance, the word perfect with spelling PERFECT is now changed to the word perfect with spelling PERFECT. Another example, the word adventure with spelling AVNTURE is now changed to the word adventure with spelling ADVENTURE. We can see that French and Latin loans, which are existing side by side. Like in many cases, French and Latin forms coexist, more or less differentiated in meaning. When we look at French words and their Latin derivatives, we can see that French loans and their Latinized derivatives often have difference in vowel and consonant sounds. For example, the words color and discoloration, example and exemplary are just an example for such sources. In the case of pronunciation, many words are used in English which do not conform to rules of classical pronunciation or meaning. For example, Latinized word propagate, here the stress on pa, and in English, this same word as propagate, here the stress on pro. So the pronunciation difference differs. In the case of quasi classical words, many words were formed by authors on incorrect classical basis, but these words were not used later by others. For example, the word andrometer used by Tennyson. In hybrids, Latin influence on English language was also responsible for the origin of hybrids with Latin or Greek suffixes and prefixes. For instance, the words like starvation, womanize, rebirth, interchange, etc. Many English words are formed of parts of words, morphemes, that originate from the Greek language, including the words such as phobia, which means fear of, then micro, which means small, demos, which means people, etc. As Greek mythology has been very influential in Western culture, some common expressions in English derive from these ancient myths and beliefs. For example, to have an Achilles heel means to have a weakness or vulnerable point. Or the idiom, the crocodile tears. Much of the Latin words associated with agriculture and war. For example, words such as camp, which means battle, pill, which means pointed stick, etc., are early borrowings. Also, we can see words associated with trade. For example, words like win, must means new wine, then flask, which means bottle, etc. Also, words related to domestic life are there. For example, word like cup, which shows cup. Then there are words related to Christianity in order to show religion. The words like church, bishop, altar, canon, hymn, pope, psalm, etc. Words used among common people are also there. For example, the words like silk, plant, school, master, etc. The Latin reached the literary, medical, botanical, and intellectual fields. So, words such as history, cancer, tiger, camel, etc., were invented. The translation of the Vulgate Bible gives the English people words like generation, persecution, and transmigration. The other borrowed words during this time include words from law, medicine, allegory, theology, science, literature, etc. And those words such as infinite, intellect, limbo, scripture, testify, and many more. Besides vocabulary, Latin popularized prefixes like tis, re, sub, pre, and suffixes like able, ent, al, etc. Another significant feature of this period is the existence of the three level synonyms: the rise mount accent, ask question interrogate, etc. The Old English describe gets the new form describe by Latin influence. Borrowing in the early modern English comes directly Latin. For example, the words like bonus, deficit, exit, etc., fact, maximum, etc. Words that starts with ph are usually of Greek origin. For example, philosophy, physical, photo, phrase, philanthropy, etc. And the words like interstellar, neutron, mutant, sulfur, etc. have become an integral part of the English technical vocabulary.